Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'll quickly hop on and do a video on a topic that again we all girls love, and we think about it and usually do it at least once a week. Yes, it's about face masks. Now face masks, it works like a caffeine fix for your face sometimes, especially during that time of the month. Or if you're just in a mood to pamper yourself and have that lit from within glow. So these are my favorite masks that I use to accomplish all of the above. So the masks that I have in front of me serve different purposes depending on how your skin is feeling at the time, whether it's feeling sluggish, it's feeling dehydrated, it's feeling dry, or you're having breakouts, or you're feeling oily, or you've not had a good sleep, or you have that special occasion where you just want to spruce up and just look fresh and have that lit from within glow. So I have all those masks in front of me. So each one falls into a specific budget category as well, but all of them are great quality and I have loved using all of these. Okay, so let's start with the sheet mask. Now this is by the Korean company All About Me. This is their charcoal cleanse, deep cleanse and purifying charcoal black mask. This is not very expensive either, but it is amazing quality. Now as the name suggests, it is a deep cleanse, it is purifying, and what I have found out that with most of the deep cleanse and the purifying masks, they tend to just leave me very dehydrated and very dry, and whatever little hydration I have left on my face, it even strips that out. But this one, I have experienced no dryness at all. In fact, when I remove it, I feel more hydrated, fresh and clean. Like it just feels like your skin has had a good spa day, or you've just had a very restful sleep. So again, I'll just repeat that. It's All About Me. That's M-E-E. So when you put on this bubble sheet mask, what happens is that bubbles start to form, and that is because the unique formula, which in contact with oxygen starts to foam or bubble. These are the bubbles which actually exfoliate your skin, and you just feel very awakened and very fresh. So this is a really good sheet mask if you're just looking to exfoliate without overstripping your skin or leaving it dry or dehydrated. This is the mask. Okay, the second one I'm sure all of us have heard about, and this one is actually worth the hype. Usually I'm very wary of products which are overhyped because sometimes they don't perform as you would expect them to. At least that's been my experience, but again, there are exceptions to that rule, and I have found that the Goddess Skin Clay Mask by Tilbury, this is an amazing mask. So this is basically your go-to clay masks. I have been very wary of clay masks because they have the tendency to again strip your skin and just leave it dehydrated and dry. But this one that I have used, it just leaves your skin so hydrated, plump, firmer, very rejuvenated. I mean, you just feel like you've just had a facial. So this is amazing, an amazing mask. If you're looking for a good clay mask, this is your best bet. You can't go wrong with this one. Again, Tilbury, the Goddess Clay Mask. This can make you look like a goddess. I do have sensitive skin, so I have to be very wary of products. I am actually a lot into ingredients, so I will actually go through all the ingredient lists, and I know, at least I have an idea as to which ingredients tend to break me out and which ingredients are safe, or which ingredients tend to just age you faster. And some of the cosmetic companies will not even tell you that there are some not so good for your skin ingredients that they just put in there for you to get the instant gratification. But if you just research a bit the ingredients, you will understand that the most potent of the ingredients are down there on the ingredient list. So you are not getting the full bang for your buck. So it is wise to just read the ingredients list of any skincare product or makeup product that you're about to purchase, because it does give you an understanding of what you're putting on your skin, because it is your skin at the end of the day, right? So I'm not saying that I know it all. I'm also in the process of evolving, but I try to understand, I try to do my research before I buy the product, because I don't always just go by the reviews. You should also understand that what your skin is sensitive to, And if you have been trying skincare products over a period of time, you will know what your skin likes and does not. So it is a good idea to study the ingredients list. Okay, on to my next mask. So this is your Lom Rescue Mask. This serves as my emergency treatment as and when I'm having those pesky breakouts or those zits, especially during that time of the month. I could either do a spot treatment with it, or I could just apply it over my whole face just to, you know, balance out the oily areas and the dry areas. This really, really helps. Now the magic ingredient in this is camphor. So it also has almonds and honey infused kaolin clay. So that what's really makes it unique, because it doesn't again strip the skin, or it doesn't make you dehydrated or dry. So what are the benefits of this mask? It'll deep cleanse without drying. It'll gently decongest and absorb excess oil. It'll smooth and condition your skin, leaving it supple and soft. It'll help calm redness and irritation and instantly smooth puffy, tired eyes and skin. And all of these things are true, because I have tried it even under my eyes and it has worked. So again, this is by Lom, and I think this is available on Cult Beauty if I'm not wrong, or even Space & K. Okay, now this next mask that I'm going to show you, this does not come cheap. So the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Concentrated Recovery Powerfoil Mask. This is your at-home spa treatment or at-home hydrofacial, because I'm telling you, when you use this, you just feel like you've had like the most amazing facial. Your skin will feel plump, hydrated, glowing. I usually use this just before a special occasion, or when I'm really feeling that my skin really is in need of a deep hydration fix. These are not cheap, these are expensive. You only get 4 sheet masks, so I use it conservatively, but whenever I use it, I have so much of gratitude for the Estee Lauder brand for bringing this out, because there is no mask like this on the market that I have tried, and there are quite a few. At least this is something that has worked for me. Again, I have combination skin and I tend to break out during that time of the month. Not crazy, but I do get those pesky zits now and then. This has not broken me out at all. So I have to be very careful about what I put on my skin. So you put on this mask and I leave it on like for 20 or 30 minutes. They say 10 minutes or 15 minutes on the pack, but I use a full 20 or 30 minutes on my face, because I want all the goodness to be absorbed into the skin. So after you've applied the sheet mask, you will find a lot of residual product left within the pack, which you can apply on your elbows, your neck, your chest, wherever you feel you need a little more hydration. You can do that because you don't want to waste the product. Second, when you remove the sheet mask after you're done with your treatment, you just need to rub it in. Do not wash your face, do not rinse the face, because that is what is gonna, you know, keep you hydrated all day long. This is not gonna make you feel sticky at the end of it. But again, if you're overly oily, then you may want to rinse or just remove the residual product with a toner. I just leave it on and I just rub it in and I just wait for like 10 minutes before I move on to my skincare. But then again, this is an amazing product. It is not cheap, but completely worth the money. Estee Lauder, you have nailed it with this mask. Absolutely nailed it. Love this one. Now, if you do not want to invest in a sheet mask and yet you want to have similar benefits, I would steer you towards the Kypris Glow Filtrate mask. Now, this mask will give you the same result of a hydrofacial, like you've just had a hydrofacial done. This mask will just give you that amazing glow, and you will just get that lit from within glow. And it has some amazing ingredients. It's got pomegranate enzymes, which gently exfoliates, garden of sea vegetables which soothe, plump, brighten, hydrate and soften. It's got ceramides, which are lipid molecules, soften neurally, a delicate flower indulgence to soothe. So in my opinion, I think it is the pomegranate enzymes which do the trick, because they tend to exfoliate your skin really well. And the other one is your garden sea vegetables, which obviously will plump, brighten and soothe your skin. So it has a jelly-like structure. And you just put that on and you leave it on, and then you just rinse it off for like after 15-20 minutes. You rinse it off and you will really love the glow that you get after using this mask. It is absolutely amazing. So these are my favorite masks. So let me know if you've tried any of these masks. Let me know what you think about these masks. So let me know in the comments below if there's a specific beauty topic that you would like to see on this channel, or any beauty product that you would like to have reviewed, or anything else that's on your mind. Just let me know and I would really be happy to get some feedback. So I hope that was not a very lengthy video, and thank you for your time. Thank you for dropping by. I really do appreciate it. Okay, so until next time, you take care of yourself wherever you are in the world, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.